All right, what's up, guys? Welcome to the video. Gonna walk you through how I read the market today. Again, the reason I do this on the market that I personally trade is so that you all have an understanding of the way I interpret volume and price action. I think those two things are extraordinarily valuable. And listen, the reason that folks come to trade alongside me, listen to my analysis and interpretation and expectations, is because I put the two most important things in front, right? And that is volume and price action. Without a complete understanding of those two things, you're going to struggle to get over the hurdle of wherever you are to wherever it is that you want to be. So let's talk about it real quick. I'll kind of zoom into this morning as we started. You can see we had some descending highs, some ascending lows here. Really got caught up in this area, took a very aggressive push higher. But notice all this high buying volume here, right? We had zero follow through here. Market comes back down. Sellers start getting absorbed. We start pushing back up. The buyers are getting absorbed. We make a perfect double top. Again, looking at this very high volume down below, we could see that there was no more interest for price to push any higher at that time. Once we broke the neckline or the low between the double top, we just continued to plummet into $81, right? We talked about all these levels on the way down. 82.10, very important. We did get some pushback, and then we did get some follow through. Okay, so where am I interested in taking a trade? Well, I want to take a trade with whatever direction the market's going in. How do I identify direction? Very simply, you can see all these little boxes I have drawn on my chart. That's telling me where buyers and sellers are being absorbed, right? And if I know where buyers and sellers are being absorbed, I can make a thesis around the fact of what may transpire next. If the sellers and buyers are both being absorbed in one direction, right? I have lower buying absorption, lower selling absorption. I'm looking to take a short. And the other way around, if I have higher selling absorption and higher buying absorption, I'm looking to go long, right? It's that simple. I just want to trade with the trend. Where am I looking to trade if I don't have a very pretty trending breakout market? Pretty simple. I am looking to get short wherever the absorption is of the buyers on the downtrend. And I'm looking to get long wherever the absorption is of the sellers on the uptrend. That's it, right? But it's not that easy to identify when and where these things are happening so that you can make very educated decisions. Now, did I want to get short here? Well, I still got higher sellings being absorbed. I still have higher buying being absorbed. So better than not chance we could still try to push a little bit heavier, right? We were at the VWAP. We just barely pulled back a little bit, and then we take this next push into higher time frame resistance and the session VWAP. The market at this point in time has not given me a reason to go short yet. Okay? It has actually given me a reason to go long. Notice all the selling absorption that occurred at the bottom. And right here is higher selling absorption. Well, guess what? If the market's going higher, I have higher buying absorption, I have higher selling absorption. I am looking to get long at this seller's absorption right here and take my push into the VWAPs and into the channel structure. It's that simple, right? The trend is your friend. I know it sounds silly, but the fact of the matter is if you can stick with identifying which direction the market's going in, and then you can layer in that volume and price action analysis, you can, with a great deal of certainty, have an understanding of what's happening and what's likely to happen next. Okay? And the only way that you're going to get the experience to have that certainty, to put together the theory and the thesis, is to spend time in front of the market live while it's ticking away. Not in hindsight, while it's actually happening, because those are the conditions you're going to need to make immediate decisions without emotion, strictly based on your trade plan. That's how it works, right? So if you're interested in joining me live so that you can start building that experience, there's some links below this video. Feel free to check them out. Send me an email with any questions you have. If you haven't, please like this video, subscribe to the channel. God bless, and I will see you in the next one.